In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how you can fix Valorant's secure boot and TPM 2.0 error on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So let's get started. Now we're going to look at various solutions and you'll have to go ahead and try all of them out and see which one works out. So the first solution we have is check secure boot and TPM 2.0 error settings. So I'm just going to go ahead and write it down. Check secure boot and TPM 2.0 error settings. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and expand into this, giving you the details. So let's look at secure boot first. So access your BIOS or UEFI settings, which is usually by pressing a specific key during boot like F2, the delete key, or the escape key. Then navigate to the security or boot section. Look for an option related to secure boot and ensure it is enabled. Then save changes and exit the BIOS. Now for TPM 2.0, you'll have to go ahead and open the Windows search bar and type tpm.msc. Press enter to open the TPM management console. Check the status section. If it says that TPM is ready for use, then TPM 2.0 is enabled. If not, you might need to enable it in your BIOS settings. You'll have to consider your motherboard's manual for specific instructions. So I'm just going to go ahead and write down the command tpm.msc. Alright. Alright, the second solution we have is update BIOS/drivers. Update BIOS and drivers. So outdated BIOS or drivers can cause compatibility issues. So visit your motherboard's manufacturer's website to download the latest BIOS updates for your system. Install the BIOS update following the provided instructions, then update your graphics card, network adapter, and other relevant drivers as well. The next solution we have is disable fast startup. Disable fast startup. So fast startup can sometimes interfere with secure boot. So open the control panel and go to hardware and sound. Click on power options. Select choose what the power buttons do. Then click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Then uncheck the turn on fast startup option and then save changes. The next one we have is disable antivirus or firewall. Antivirus/firewall. So temporarily disable your antivirus and firewall softwares to see if they are interfering with Valorant. If the issue is resolved, you may need to add exceptions or adjust settings in the antivirus/firewall to allow Valorant to run. The next and the last one we have is to verify game integrity. Game integrity. Okay. So launch the Valorant launcher, go to the settings menu, click on general and then repair. Then wait for the repair process to complete. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.